Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Lecturer of Quantitative Research in ELT, Mrs. Nita Sarina Rulita Dewi, SPD MPD. In this occasion, I am Rahma Herani from Class B. I would like to present my research proposal with the title, The Correlation Between Reading Habits and Academic Achievement Among English Education Department Students. My research proposal consists of 3 chapters. The first is Introduction, second is Theoretical Framework, and the third is Research Methodology. Let's begin with the introduction. In this part, first there is the background of the study, is that a strong reading habit involves reading frequently, reading a wide range of materials, and reading for a specific amount of time will help students develop their subject matter to achieve academic success. Educational research has been interested in the relationship between reading habits and academic achievement. Strong reading habits are essential for students in the English education department, not only for language proficiency, but also for academic success. There were many studies of reading habits and academic achievement, and the result, there were a significant correlation between reading habits and academic achievement. So, based on the previous studies, the researcher is interested to find out the same topic. However, limited research exists on how reading habits specifically influence academic achievement among students at the University of Tasikmalaya. Next, research question. Is there a significant correlation between the reading habits of English education department students and their academic achievement? Because I will explain the correlation between two variables, so there are the operational definition of those based on this research. Reading habits. This refers to how often and what kinds of materials students choose to read and why they read. It includes school-related reading like textbook and academic papers. Academic achievement. This is about how well students do in their studies, often measured by grades, GPA, or test scores. Academic success is influenced by a mix of things like natural abilities, motivation, and access to resources like books. Next, this research aims to investigate whether there is a correlation between students' reading habits and their academic performance in the English Education Department academic year 2022 and 2023. Hopefully, as the theoretical use, it adds to the knowledge on how reading habits impact academic success in English education. Practically, it can guide educational policies to encourage effective reading habits, leading to better academic outcomes. This chapter explained that reading habits refer to the patterns and behaviors associated with an individual's reading practices, including the frequency, variety, and duration of reading activities. According to Setri in 2013 defines reading habits as the number of materials being read, the frequency of reading, and the average time spent on reading. And for academic achievement, according to Steinmeier and Wirtwein in 2017, academic achievement is an indication of the performance capability of students in executing particular tasks or delivering knowledge within a school, college, or university. This research used correlational research design as it seeks to examine the relationship between two variables, which are reading habits and academic achievement, using GPA without manipulating the variables. The population are all students enrolled in the English Education Department at one of the universities in Tasikmalaya in the academic year 2022 or 2023 use purposive sampling, which is 5th semester students. And for time and place, the research will be conducted in November 2025 at one of the universities in Tasikmalaya, specifically within the English Education Department. Then for research procedure, there are 4 steps. The first, study design and participant selection. Second, instrumentation and data collection. Third, procedure for data collection. And fourth, data analysis. To collect the data, because there are two variables, so there are two instruments. First, the study utilized the reading habit questionnaire developed by Jantong and Sripetbun at 2010 to evaluate students' reading habits. And for academic achievement by students, GPA were collected using archival data. After the data are collected, it will be analyzed using the descriptive statistic, and the hypothesis will be tested by Pearson correlation coefficient supported by SPSS. That's all my presentation. Thank you for your nice attention. I'm ready to answer the question, and I hope I can answer the question from the lecture as well as I can. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.